Good morning, children. So once again, I welcome you all to 10th standard class linear equation. In the last class, we have learned about reducible equations with two variables. Now I already mentioned 5 methods, but 2 methods are eliminated. The remaining 3 methods only we are solving. So one method is already over. Reducible method is over. Now I am passing to elimination method. So reducible method, what you have done, the same thing you are doing the elimination method. The same methodology. So usually in your textbook they have given following substitution method and the cross multiplication method also they have given. But they eliminated that one, substitution method and the cross multiplication. So that is why I am going to simultaneous method. Okay. So two equations are there. You are taking coefficients of x and y, first equation and second equation. You are multiplying and finding the value of x and y. Here also the same thing you are doing under the elimination method also. If you pass on these two equations, reducible method and elimination method, if you know very well now, so you can solve the problem under the graphical method very easily. So now let us pass on to example, through the example sums only. There is no introduction for the elimination method. Elimination method is nothing but it is a simplification following the different method. Any method if you follow also, the same solution you are getting. There is no difference. Mathematics is mathematics. 2 into 3 also 6. 3 into 2 also 6. So any method if you go like that, here also x and y value, any method if you go also the same thing. Okay. So now I am not making you confusion using substitution method and cross multiplication method, because in other schools they are following substitution method and cross multiplication only, they are solving the problem. I came to know, no, I am not touching this too, because syllabus is eliminated, means we eliminated. So we are not using those words. Only reducible method and elimination method and graphical method. Only 3 methods I am using. Now today let us learn about under the elimination method. So look into your textbook, elimination method, example number 11. I will read the problem. You go through it, children. Now the ratio of income, example 11, the ratio of incomes of 2 persons, Rama Bhima irbodu, yare irbodu, 2 persons is 9:7. 9:7. Obandu 9 idre, innobundu 7 irutte. And the ratio of their expenditure andrenu avaru ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋದು expenditure. So they buy so many things and all. The expenditure is 4:3. ಒಬ್ಬ 4 rupees ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ 3 rupees ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಆ ತರ. So each of them manages to save 2000 rupees per month. 2000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಉಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್. ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ 2000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅವ್ರ ಬರ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಸೊ ಇಬ್ರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9:7. ಒಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಬ್ಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 2000 rupees. ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 2000 rupees. ಬಟ್ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. We have to find out, making a equation, and we have to find out. That I have solved on the problem on the board. All of you observe. I am explaining here. See here. Let 2 persons income rupees 9x and 7x I have taken. Why means linear equations with 2 variables. We have to join variables, so otherwise we cannot find out. So expenditure. Let the 2 persons expenditure rupees 4y and 3y. Understand? So 9y, 9:y they have given in your problem. Another one they have given 4:3 they have given. I made with variables 9x, 7x, 4y, 3y. Any equation having 2 variables, so you know x and y, a and b, p and q, like the 2 4y is equal to how much? 2000. 2000 ಗುಣಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು 2000. Here 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, xy 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is equation number 1, equation number 2. Equation number 2. We have to solve these two equations. I have taken coefficient of x 7, first equation you multiply the coefficient of x first equation 9. I have taken second equation. So now multiply 7 into 9 63x minus 7 into 4 28y is equal to 7 into 2 14,000. So 9 into 7 63x minus 9 into 3 27y is equal to 9 into 2 18,000. Now change the sign. Here plus is there, minus is there, plus is there, minus. 63 cancel. Here plus minus. Greater number sign is minus. If you subtract 1y is equal to, here greater number sign is minus. So 18 minus 14, 4,000. Therefore y is equal to 4,000. Y value we got it. Now go for first equation. You take very simple equation. Before multiplying you take this one. If you take also you are getting answer. But heavy numbers you may get confusion. So that is why take equation number 1 before multiplying the coefficient. So here 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. 9x is equal to 4 into y value 4000 is equal to 2000. 9x minus 4 into 4 16. 16,000 is equal to 2000. Here 9x as it is, you transfer right hand side of 2000 plus 16,000 is equal to 18,000. Therefore x is equal to 18,000 by 9 2000. X value is 2000. Now you calculate monthly income 9x 1 person, 9 into x 18,000. 1 person got salary, getting a salary 18,000. Another person 7x 7 into 2,000 14,000. One person income is 18,000. Another person income is 14,000. They save 2,000 per month. So this is the way you have to follow the elimination method statement sum. Okay. Second problem also you will do it. Example 12. Example 12 they have given. Use the elimination method and find all possible solution of the following. They have given in your textbook. Example 12. You go through it, children. See, they have given two equation 2x plus 3y into 8. First equation 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. The second equation. Once again take coefficient. You can take y also. You can take x also. Anything. If you multiply 6 here, 3 here also the same answer you are getting. I am preferable for x equation because there will be no signs. Sometimes here minus will be there. There must be a confusion. That is why I prefer to take with the x. So x coefficient, second equation x coefficient is 4. First equation you multiply. First equation x coefficient is 2. Second equation you multiply. So 4 into 2 8x plus 4 into 3 12y is equal to 4 into 8 32. 2 into 4 8x plus 2 into 6 12y is equal to 7 into 2 14. 7 into 2 14 here. 14 correct? 7 into 2 14. So here 8 change the sign minus 8x cancel. So here 12y 0. Both are 0 you are getting. So the remaining is 8. So there is no variable. This statement is wrong. So this is the way you have to elimination method you have to follow. Next we will go for stop. Now let us pass on to after example. So let us pass on to exercise 3.6 children. Exercise 3.6. Open all of you in your textbook. Under that exercise, I have chosen 2-3 sums. That's all. So statement sum I have not taken. So I will teach you later 2-3 statement sum also. It's very simple sum. So you can solve very easily. You go through it. So one sum I have taken here. They have given in your exercise this sum: x plus y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. They have given, isn't it? Check out. All of you say yes, sir. Okay. This is equation number 1. Equation number 2. What is equation number 1? X plus y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Directly I have taken coefficient of x, first equation 2, multiply whole equation, coefficient of x 1, that second equation I have multiplied. The multiplied result is 2 into x 2x plus 2 into y 2y is equal to 5 into 2 10. First equation. Because of one variable should be cancelled. Okay, second equation. 1 into 2x is 2x minus 1 into 3y is 3y is equal to 4. Change the sign. Minus, plus, minus. Cancel 2x, 2x. The remaining term. So here plus, plus is there. 3 plus 2, 5y is there. 10 minus 4, 6. So greater number sign is plus. Therefore, y is equal to 6 by 5. Y value you got it. Now you have to calculate x value. Take any equation. This equation also you can take. This equation only this much you can take. I have taken very simple. X plus y is equal to 5. 5. So x plus y value is 6 by 5 children is equal to 5. See, we cannot transfer. We can transfer here minus 6 5. We don't want. Here only take LCM. Add both. Take LCM as 5. So 5 is divided by 1. 5 into x, 5x plus 5 cancel. 6 into 1, 6 is equal to 5. By cross multiplication, 5x plus 6 is equal to 5 into 5, 25. 5x keep in LHS. You transfer 6 to right hand side. 5x is equal to 25 plus become minus 6. 5x is equal to 19. X is equal to 19 by 5. See, x and value you got it. Have you understood, children? No problem? Okay. Let us pass on to another sum I have taken. So what is that? 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. First equation. Second equation, 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Second equation. Check in your textbook. So once again I will repeat the same sum. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 is first equation. 2x minus 2y is equal to 2 is second equation. Now directly I have taken coefficient of second equation. X is 2. First equation, whole equation you multiply. So first equation coefficient x is 3. Second equation you multiply whole equation. So now you multiply result. 2 into 3 6x plus 2 into 4 8y is equal to 2 into 10 20. 2 into 3 6x plus 2 into 4 8y is equal to 10 into 2 is equal to 20. You must know table very well. If you don't know the table, the sum will be wrong. Okay, table carefully you do it. Sometimes 3 3s are 9 now, but myself I am doing sometimes 6. So that is why don't do like that. So multiplication is multiplication, addition is addition. So if you are very good at the operation of 4 symbols, so it is very easy. Operation of all basic entities are very important. Now multiply by 3 whole equation. 3 into 2 is 6 minus 3 into 2 is 6y is equal to 3 into 2 is 6. So now the same variable, same number, change the sign, plus become minus, minus become plus, plus become a minus. 6x cancel. Here the remaining term plus you have to consider, don't consider minus, you have changed. Here plus is there, plus add it. 8 plus 6 is 14y is equal to 20 minus 1 plus 1 minus is there, subtraction. 20 minus of 6 is 14. Y is equal to 14 by 14 is equal to 1. You got the y value. Take any equation. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 I have taken. So you can take this equation, you can take this equation, you can take this equation, any take also you are getting the value of 2 only. Anything you can take, no problem, no confusion, nothing. So here 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 3x plus 4 into 1 because y value is 1 is equal to 10. 3x plus 4 into 1 is 4 is equal to 10. 3x in LHS is equal to RHS, then now you transfer 4 plus become a minus 4. 3x is equal to 10 minus of 6 is 6. Okay, so 10 minus of 4 is 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2. So y value is 1, x value is 2. So this problem is over. It is very easy, no children. So now I have taken different problem. I have taken different because these two are same and also in example also the same thing. But this is in different way they have given. You don't have a confusion. I will teach you that also. See, this is in your exercise. Here 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Here they have given a minus b of x plus a plus b of y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So it is different. Directly you cannot. This is equation number 1, equation number 2. You compare this problem here. It is very easy. But instead of 2 they have given a minus b. Instead of another 2 a plus b they have given. Instead of 2 they have given 3a plus b minus 2. Now I will teach you that method. So you take you equate one by one. So here see coefficient of x is 2 in numerator. Coefficient of x is a minus b by a minus b is equal to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2 by cross multiplication. So you are getting 2 into 3 6a plus 2 into b 2b 2 minus 2 into 2 4 equals 7 into a 7a minus 7 into b 7b cross multiplication. Now you simplify. Transfer right hand side to left hand side. All the terms is in right. 6a plus 6a to b minus 4 as it is. You transfer here plus become minus 7a minus become 7b is equal to 0. So common here. So here 6a 7a 7a greater, that is why minus 7a minus of 6a a plus here 9 2a plus 7b 9b. The remaining is minus 4 is equal to 0. See, in beginning of the term, so minus should not be there. You take it as common. See, minus as a common. Minus into minus plus a plus into minus minus 9b minus into minus plus 4 is equal to 0. Now take out in the bracket a minus 9b is equal to, so plus 4 right hand side minus 4. This is equation number 1. Equation number 1. Once again another you go. Once again 2 by a minus b as it is you equal to 3 coefficient of y 3 by a plus b. Once you have taken your right hand side one now. So now the same term, second term you have taken for the y. So now cross multiplication 2 into a 2a plus 2 into b 2b is equal to 3 into a 3a minus 3 into b 3b. So RHS transfer to LHS 2a plus 2b as it is plus 3a become a minus become a plus, so the right hand side become a 0. Now so a 2a minus 3a greater number sign is minus children. So that is 3a minus of 2a 1a plus 2a plus 3b 5b is equal to 0. So beginning of the term having a minus value, minus take it as common, minus into minus plus a minus into plus minus 5b is equal to 0. Take out this one, a minus b 5b is equal to 0. Two equation. Equation number 1, equation number 2. This is the position. Now you pass on to here. A minus 9b is equal to minus 4. Equation number 1. A minus b, a minus 5b is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Here a is there. Change the sign. No need to take coefficient. ratio. No need to necessary to mention. So here minus plus minus cancel. Here greater number sign is minus. 9 minus 5, 4b is equal to minus 4. B is equal to minus 4 minus 4 is equal to plus 1. Substitute b value is 1. A minus 9b is equal to minus 4. A minus 9 into 1 is equal to minus 4. A minus 9 is equal to minus 4. A is equal to, so this goes to right hand side, minus 4 plus greater number sign is plus 9 minus 4 is 5. Now you got the value A and B, 1 and 5. This is the methodology. Another sum is also there in your textbook. So follow this method. You solve all the problems. Statement sum, let it be like that only. If it is possible, you solve. So I will teach you in my next class. Next class, even graphical method also I am going to continue, children. Okay. Now holidays you may get, maybe date we are going to mention in that holidays. Celebrate Navaratri happily. Okay, don't waste your time. You are all belonging to 10th standard. You study well. You have public examination only. Try your level best to write your notes. So happy Navaratri, children. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.